How to add Passkey to Google account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. So for that, head over to any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, you have to type in anything, then you will see your initial on your top right hand side. In my case, my initial is F, so tap onto your specific initial. And likewise, you will see manage your Google account. You have to tap onto it. As it is so, you will get landed onto a page like this. Here you will see security. If you swipe into your left, tap on security. Scroll below, under how you sign into Google, you will see passkeys and security keys. So tap it. And likewise, in order to add a passkey, simply tap on create a passkey. And now it says that you can now use your fingerprint, face, screen lock, or hardware security key to verify that it's really you while signing in. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.